So here we are ready to create the materials for the frames, and every time I have a material where I need to control exactly how the texture is going to be placed, I prefer to throw a modifier in. Okay, so I'm going to go to the modify panel and I'm going to apply a UVW map, and I'm going to switch the mapping to box just so that I have some control over the image placement. And I'm going to right click, copy this and paste to the other frames. Not as an instance, just paste. And now we are going to create the material. So I'm going to open the material editor. And in here, I'm going to create another EYECONE design. Double click, rename this. And we know we don't want any reflectivity because it's a frame. And on the diffuse color, I can click here or click and drag here. And then I can choose standard bitmap. And then I can choose my image. So for this first frame, I'm going to go with this image here. So I'm going to click open. There you go. And with the image selected, I'm going to click on this button here. This button is going to allow me to see the image on the object where it's applied. So I'm going to click this. And now I'm going to select the object. Select the material and apply. And as you can see, I can see the image here. So I can notice that it's not very well placed. So that's the reason why the UVW map is here for. So I'm going to expand, grab the gizmo, and let's just scale this a bit just so the image is perfect. Just place where you want. There you go. Pretty simple. Let's repeat this for one frame and you can do the other by yourself. So I'm going to select both the texture and the material. Hold shift, click and drag to the side. Let's rename this. And the image, I'm going to double click, and down here I can choose a different image. So I'm going to click, choose a different image, click open, and there you go. Now it's just a matter of selecting the object and applying the material. Once again, I'm going to select the texture and I'm going to choose show shaded material. There you go. Now we can see this is pretty messy, so grab the gizmo, rotate this 90 degrees, and scale. Something like that. I'm going to maybe increase the size of this whole object because I'm thinking probably it looks better without this white margin. So I'm going to delete this white margin here. I'm just going to leave it like that. And lastly, let's grab this one and do the same process. So you can do it by yourselves, okay? Just shift and drag, change the image, rename it, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson.